Machiegni nyakorom gajuang chendo en kacha nyinga Lydia Hokeyo. Jatend migao mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen kod ogai mar Obila Douglas Kanja opwoyo obila ma Kenya manyocha odhi keto kwe e piny mar Haiti. Kaluwore gi Murkomen, Kenya nitiere kod ting' mar chwalo jochiw arita mage pinje maoko kendo mondo mi odhi okel kwe. Obilago makwan gi hao 230 nyocha odonje pacho kanyocha ka owuok e piny mar Haiti.
Asanteni sana, karibuni nyumbani. Well, when you go home, wasalimia familia zenu, loved ones, and we will continue standing with them even and remember them even at this very critical juncture. And those who got injured in this mission, we wish them very quick recovery, and we know that they are receiving the best treatment to make sure that they get back to their feet soon as possible and back to work. Lastly, let me say that the lessons you have learned should make you better experts. Now you are police experts. You know that? You are police experts. You are not the same. The knowledge you have achieved is beyond what you would have gotten in a class. So as you come back, you are leaders. Please bring that knowledge. Help us make the National Police Service better based on the values, the principles, the experiences that you got from this mission. We expect you to come back and provide leadership. And I just have no doubt that your future is very bright.